We are back for the third and final day of our trip to Ponta Grossa beach. The morning begins with a breathtaking view of the ocean, setting the stage for another incredible day. Back at our hotel, we enjoy a slow morning, swaying in hammocks on our balcony and soaking in the peaceful atmosphere. Before checking out and heading back to Fortaleza, we still have time for a boat tour in search of the manatees that inhabit the region. Earlier on my walk along the beach, I saw a kettle of vultures, so I wanted to check it out from above with the drone. As we wander the sandy paths, we catch sight of an Atlantic ghost crab, its tiny frame blending into the sand. The moment we approach, it scurries away, disappearing into a hole as if it were never there. Along the northeastern coast of Brazil, you might spot a curious sight: small wooden rafts with big sails, gliding effortlessly over the waves. At first glance, a jangada might look like a makeshift raft, but it's anything but primitive. These jangadas are traditional fishing boats that have been used for centuries. But what makes them so special? Jangadas date back hundreds of years, with roots in indigenous and Portuguese traditions. Before modern boats, fishermen needed a simple yet reliable way to go out to sea. Using the materials around them, they created these sturdy rafts. A jangada is made from several logs, traditionally a lightweight wood called piuba, tied together with ropes. Instead of nails, wooden pegs hold everything in place. The design is smart, light enough to float, strong enough to handle the ocean. The sail is what gives the jangada its power. It catches the wind, allowing fishermen to travel miles offshore without needing a motor. Steering is done with a long wooden oar at the back. For generations, jangadas have been the lifeline of coastal communities. Fishermen take them out at dawn, spending hours at sea before returning with their catch. Their skill and knowledge of the ocean have been passed down through time. Even today, with modern boats available, some fishermen still prefer jangadas. They're eco-friendly, cost-effective, and part of a deep cultural heritage. More than just a boat, the jangada represents resilience, tradition, and the unbreakable bond between people and the sea. So next time you visit the northeastern Brazilian coast, keep an eye out. You might just see one of these incredible rafts in action. Time for a boat tour in search of manatees. Native manatees can be spotted along the municipality's coastline year-round, leading to the rise of Manatee-Watching tours. This region is one of the last refuges for the species along the coast of Ceará. Our guide explains that a local NGO recently caught and tagged some of them to update their GPS trackers. This process temporarily makes the animals wary of motor sounds, making them harder to spot. Patience is key, and after a long search, we finally see movement in the water. A dark shadow rises slightly before vanishing beneath the surface. It's brief, but there it is, making clear that they are not interested in any interaction with humankind today. Off camera, we managed to get a slightly better view, but capturing the moment on video proves challenging. Even so, just knowing they're there, moving freely in their natural habitat, makes the experience worthwhile. To wrap up the tour, we jump into the ocean. Since the tour is regulated by Brazilian law, we must wear life jackets, regardless of whether we are good swimmers. Someone on the tour who wasn't part of our group and was seasick. He was in really bad shape. As we head back to shore, the waves make our landing a bit tricky. We stop waist-deep in the water, waiting one by one for a break between the waves before making our final jump off the boat. The trip comes to an end, and now it's time to pack up and drive back to Fortaleza. A little sad to be leaving this peaceful and beautiful place, one that has given us unforgettable memories over the past few days. Our Brazil trip isn't over yet. There are more videos to come, but in the next one, I'll see you in Mexico, exploring Playa del Carmen and Tulum, an amazing experience and a near-perfect trip. Don't forget to subscribe to stay notified, and see you in the next video.